Okay, good afternoon to everyone. Let's start today's class. In today's class, I will see you to another. I will be using some programming. I will show you that the items you have seen combo box, they are in the AWT. In case of AWT, I've also discussed about that. And in swing, these are components present, that combo boxes. So how these combo boxes will be present and how we can select items from the combo boxes, this I will show you through an program. This will effectively help you. What? This will effectively help you that the working of this, it will be clear to you. So now I will do what? I will use some programming concept in the combo box, the programming component of the combo box, how its application we will show you. Okay. So let's start. So I am sharing this screen. Now I will show you the combo boxes programming, the programming of the component that is used for combo box. So let's start. So for all of swing programming, we know that for swing programming and for event handling method, we have to import the package first. So we have already seen. So all the examples is we have seen. What? So first we will import the package. So for importing package, we know for first we will use the importing swing package. Then we will import, we want to show event handling. In this program, there will be event handling. So we have to import the event handling package. So that is java.awt.event.star. So now our total, what the swing, for swing programming, we will do the swing programming, and that's why we imported the package. We already imported the package, and for event handling also we imported the package here. So now I will define a class that is public class, and I am giving the name as combo, name combo box. And so then we already know that we have to use a frame. We want to show it as a window. So that's why what we have to use, we have to use a frame. So we have declared a variable jframe_f. So now in the constructor, we have to define the object. We have to create the object now. So inside the constructor, we will create the object f new, and the name upper, like here this window, a name will be shown, that we are saying that the name will show as combo box. Okay, so the name of the, and in the top of the window it will show as a combo box. So after that, what we have to do, we have to create a level. So we have to create level class. So new J label. So here we will create and we declare it as a final. Declare previously, that means this object's value cannot be changed. So that's why it is J level equal to new J level. So that means the level object is created. Now label dot, the object is what? Label. So label dot set horizontal alignment, and we will write, we will level the alignment. So J level dot center. So that means the level which will be shown, it will be placed in the center. So we have declared that's why. So date set horizontal alignment J level dot center. Then we'll use, we'll set the level size, set size. That's why we called with levels class object. So that means the level size will be fixed here. So we are calling set size method with level class object. So level dot set size and int width and height. So we are passing as 400, 100. Okay. So then we want to create a button. So that's why J button B equal to new J button. So that means a buttons object is created. So now a buttons object is created. Sorry, I have forgotten it. That some level should be mentioned there in the button. There will be some present. There will be some level will be shown over it. So I am saying that the button will place like, and this button will looks like this. This will be a button, and here it will be written as show. It will be written as show. So that's why it is here. We are giving show. I want that. So after that, what we will do now, the button's position should be fixed. So that means set bounds method should be called with buttons object. With buttons object, set bounds method should be called. And we have to place the coordinate on y1, x2, y2. So we'll put the coordinate, then we'll put the coordinate in it, and in the combo boxes. So that means from there will be a combo box, and from this combo boxes, many items will be present. So what are the items in that combo boxes will be present? We are writing string languages, and inside there will be written. So we are taking a array, character array, or we can say a string. We are taking the strings. Basically, we are taking the strings because in the combo boxes, so there will be some items present. So that items are of the character types. So we are saying what items will be present. There will be C, then C++, the name of the languages I want, that name of the languages will be present in that list. So another one is C sharp. Next, it will be, you want that there will be Java. This will be Java, and another one will be another language, that is PHP, or and another one is R. So this total six items will be present. We are saying that in the combo box there will be 6 items present. So inside from this we have to choose any one that we will show here. We will show it. So then we have to declare the combo box. So sorry, the name should be same. The syntax of the combo box is like that, so there may be some problem. So we change it. Everything J combo box. So for string, in the string case, everything, every items, every components, in every components first, there will be J letter present. AWT, in AWT, those components are same components are present. But in case of swing, every component's name first, it will be J. So that's why we use button, that is J button. Then in case of combo box, it will be J combo box. In case of swing programming, every items, every components first, what we do, we have input the J. So this thing should be in mind, that in case of our swing, there will be at first some J present, J letter will be present. Otherwise, all the components are same as AWT. There is also combo box present, same as in the swing. Combo box works like that. Only in front, J will be present. So every components that are present on the AWT, same components are also present in the swing. Only the difference is in every components first, there will be J. We'll use J combo box and equal to, we have said CB is the object. So J combo box, and in this combo box, the name of the combo box is this languages. We are passing the parameter languages here. That means in this combo box, these items will be what? These items will be added. So languages, we are passing that. So in the combo box, this will be included. Then we'll set the position of the combo box. So that means setBounds method should be called with the object of set combo box. Then this is the coordinates. We know there will be x1, y1, x2, y2 coordinates. After that, what we have to do now, all the components are done. Okay, so that means now one by one it should be added to the frame. So first we are attaching the combo box to the frame. So we will copy it. That means it will be, add method will be called with frame object, frame class object, and here next what we will add, we will add the level. Then next we will add the button. So the button level all will be attached here, and after that we have to fix the frame layout. So set layout, we are saying null, that means default layout will be chosen, flow layout will be chosen. Next we have to set the size of the frame. So set size method will be called with object of the frame. So here we are passing int height and width. So 350 by 350 we are using normal as usual we are using. Then we will set visible method for visible. For visible this we will use the set bounds method. Sorry, set visible method to show that. And after that we know that there is a button present and we want that this button will generate some event. So that means buttons, if any event generated by button, that means action listener interface should be used. So that means we have to use the add action listener. So add action listener. So that means any event we want that there will be a button present and button will generate some event. So that means what? Action listener should be used. And this command is used for add action listener. That means button is now in the if you observe that in the event handling, if you remind that there is a delegation model present. So one is source and another is what? Listener. So source should be added to the listener. We already know that. So our source is what? Button. So it will be added to the listener. That's why source object we are calling that button is the source. So through object of the button we are calling add action listener. And this add action listener, new action listener. So this is created, and after that what we should use, we have to the method, the abstract method that is present inside the action listener. The method that is present inside the action listener is what? Public void action perform. So that means this method should be, this method should be overridden. This method should be overridden. So public void action performed. Public void action performed and action event. Sorry, name of the action event class and passing action event object. This is all we know. After that, we're saying train string data, and here it will show that programming language selected. So in the combo box upside there will be shown as programming languages selected. So yes, it is the combo box object, we will use get item. We'll use get item method and then combo box object we will call get selected. So from combo box we will select the items. So get selected to be index. That means after that level dot set text means the text will be shown. For set text we will set the text in it. So that means action event get after that we have set the text. So set text method is used by setting the text. Then we will do, so first there is the open braces and here is totally these things are under this. Means this, and we have to close this also. The brackets are, we see the first brackets. So okay, then after complete static void main and string args. So we can open it and what is the class name? Combo box. So new combo box. This class will be called inside main. So inside main we'll call it. So see, latest we will see what happened now. Combo box dot. So we run it, then it will be very much clear what has happened. See that by running that what is correct or not. So you have to go to the destination, then Java C combo box Java. First, see that there is the error. Documents. Created a desktop. Okay, it is created as a desktop. That's why it is showing like that. Then Java C compose Java. So there is error. Right here, set there. This is basically sorry. It will be changed because this is a constructor, so the name will be same as that. Oh, sorry, forgot to add the new keyword. That's why it is shown that not available. Then see that so that means Java. This is the warning message shown. Yes, this is what I want to show you, that here you can see that there will be the combo, this window, this is the frame, and we have given the name of it as a combo box, the frame top which is showing that combo box. Then there is what, this is the combo box. From here we will select, these are the languages which we have used: C, C++, C#, Java, PHP, R. So in this combo box all these languages are what included in this combo box. Now we will what? We will choose one, like I am choosing Java. Then this button, we want that if this button will work. So you see there is showing programming languages selected, that is Java. So for this operation, so combo box is what? These items are listed in the combo box one by one. And we are using this button. We know this button is created and its label will be show. So after that, we using this b.add action listener, we have what? This b.add action listener, we have if we have performed that, if any event that this button will be generated, we will added it to the action listener, so it will be handled. Generate some event, it will be handled. So that's how this program looks like. Okay, it is clear to everyone that how this can be done. Ria, Abhishek?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
और एनीवन? कैसे हम लोग इस प्रोग्रामिंग को करते हैं? तो हम इतने देर तक, इतने दिन I have every day I have shown some programming thing, but did your concept become clear that how this swing programming components we can done? This is like a mathematical formula. If you think this is like a totally mathematical formula, that in every situation, what we have to first creating the JFrame object, first creating the JFrame class object, then all the components will what? All these components are first created, these objects, all the components object are created, and then all the components are added one by one here. And after that, what we have do, we have done that any components, this after that all the components are added to the frame, and then some operations which we have used, mainly we have used button, because here button is basically maximally used, button is used maximum. So I have shown that how this button is connected to the listener, and so that means this button will generate some event, so it will be handled by the what? It will be handled by the event handling code. So that's like this. This is the way. So if you choose that, here I am choosing Java. So if you choose like C++ and press show, then it is showing that programming language is selected C++. So that's how this is the combo box. This is basically the combo box. And after any of the languages are selected from this drop down list. There's a drop down list. So any of the language are selected from this drop down list. It will be that if I choose R, and after that, whenever I press this button, that means here this message is showing that programming language is selected R. So that means after pressing this button, an event is generating. An event is generating. That is, this event is now handled by the event handling code. And after that, the message is showing. So that means any event that is generating, the event what is generating? The event is generating that it will show the message programming language is selected, and whatever we have selected from the drop down list, that will be shown here. So this is the thing. Okay. So, okay, then thank you everyone. If you have any question, you can ask, or otherwise I will end the session. So it is clear to everyone. It is clear to everyone, Shubham? Shubham, Rishikant?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then thank you everyone. I am ending the session. So